Let me introduce you to Arch Cutting Tools Arch Specials. I'm Charlie Novak, the Business Development Manager for Arch Specials. Today we're going to cover what Arch Special is and what it means to you, the different tool types that we offer, different product types, our capabilities and equipment, some contact information, and a quick recap at the end. Arch Cutting Tools has 3 product brands: Keo, which is our solid round standard offering, Ultradex, which is our indexable and tool holding offering, and Arch Specials, which encompasses all of our plants and all of our capabilities and custom solutions. We're a world leader in custom cutting tools. We have a very wide range of different product types, from solid carbide, high-speed cobalt, to PCD, indexable. We really cover the gamut. We have a very wide range of manufacturing capabilities. High-end equipment, top of the line, cutter grinders, 5-axis CNC machining centers. Our management is continually investing in each and every one of our plants to make sure that we have top of the line equipment, the latest and greatest in capabilities. We have incredible versatility in our manufacturing capabilities. This allows us to place a product and a project exactly where it fits, not just where we have an opportunity to. We have capabilities. We're very deep. We can supply simple, basic cutting tools, or we can supply very high tolerance and multi-feature cutting tools. To complement our wide range of manufacturing capabilities, we have a very wide range in engineering capabilities as well. Our engineers across the country are continuously talking with each other to make sure that we're providing the best solutions for every project for our customers, whether it's a single feature or if it's a full turnkey package. From our product specialists to our design engineers to our application engineers, we take projects from the beginning, from part prints to designing and developing the process to our customers making parts. Now we'll get into the specifics on the types of tools that we can offer, starting with custom indexable tools. We can supply a custom indexable tool on any shank or connection type, whether it's a simple straight shank or a Capto HSK, we can cover it. We manufacture most of these connections in-house. We're not pigeonholed to just our insert offering. We're happy to use our inserts, but we're also happy to use an insert that you are more comfortable with or that you stock in your plant. Custom solid round tools. We can supply tools from 4/1000ths of an inch to 6 inches or more. Whether it's a simple special end mill or a very high tolerance complex form cutter, we can supply a solution for you with the proper edge prep, geometry, and coating for your application. American products from decades of small cutting tool manufacturing experience, made by our skilled craftsmen on our proprietary CNC equipment, using the latest grinding, polishing, and coating technologies. Custom PCD tipped cutting tools. We can spec out a grade, an edge prep, and cutting geometries using our vast experience in PCD cutting tools. Our proprietary manufacturing processes allow us to use our top-of-the-line manufacturing equipment to give the tightest tolerance and the most accurate PCD cutting tool in the industry. Because of our range and tools that we can offer, we don't have to give one solution. We can combine our product types into one tool so that we can put a step drill on the front of the tool, avoid a tool change, and go right into an indexable roughing tool that is followed by a high tolerance PCD finishing reamer. All in one tool, avoiding tool changes, increasing throughput. Custom arbor mounted cutting tools. This is a legacy process for us. We have 80 years of experience in this area. From common slitting saws to very complex and high tolerance arbor mounted form cutters, we can provide a solution for any situation. Because of the deep history of manufacturing here in the United States, this is a very highly demanded product type. To contact us and get us your information so that we can provide you a solution for your custom tooling needs, please go to archcuttingtools.com and click on the Special Tools tab. Under the Special Tools tab, you'll find our Easy Quote form. Simply click Yes to the mobile form if you're on a mobile device. Fill out the sales information at the top. Give us some details on your application and what you're expecting, and click Submit. At the bottom of the form, there's an area to upload any type of attachment that'll help us to know your application better. From there, you'll receive an email letting you know that we have your request, we're working on it, and that we'll have a response to you very soon. To recap, Arch Cutting Tools offers Arch Specials, industry leader in capabilities and capacity for custom tooling solutions. All of our manufacturing is done here in the US to avoid supply chain issues, using Arch intellectual properties to create your unique process. Do you have manufacturing challenges? Call us. We provide solutions at the spindle. If you have any questions at all for us, please contact us at archctspecials@archgp.com. your easy to choose, easy to use resource.